Hi, welcome to the video on the geological timeline activity. So when you open up the activity, it'll be inside the Schoology window. If you would like, you can pop it out to the side using that pop-out icon, and then you can hit continue. All right, this is a pretty large activity or long activity, and I don't want you to spend more than 10-15 minutes on it. So because of that, what you're going to do is you're actually going to skip the first 4 sections, and you can start with section 5. So start on 5. Now I'll just tell you what the first 4 sections kind of gives you a background about the history of the Earth, and to show you how long that history is. They use an analogy: if Earth was, if each year was a book, the book would be 4 billion, 4,600,000,000 pages. So that's how long the book would be, because the Earth is 4.6 billion years old, or 4,600 million years old. So the Earth is over 4 billion years old. So with that being said, that's what you're missing. Now in this part here, don't spend too long on this, but this kind of I want to give you like an introduction about the history of life. And so what you're doing is you're creating a timeline. And what they tell you to do for this timeline is you're going to click on the images of fossils in the order from the earliest to the most recent. So for example, if I think that the earliest life form was this early bird, I would click on it. Okay, if I think this was the earliest one, I would click on it. But notice it says, oops, so that can't be right. That means that there must be some other life form here that existed before the bird. Let me try this one, this trilobite, bam. So that one works, so it's the earliest. And then I would go to the next one and so on, okay? So you just keep clicking in the order. Now, if after a minute or so you don't get it, go ahead and skip it and go straight to 6. You don't need to complete 5. All right, so really what you need to do is focus on slides 6 through 9. You're going to proceed through them. As you go through, after reading information, maybe you have to click more and it'll take you to the next piece of information. Sometimes you have to do things. Like here it says click on the oldest rock layers, etc. So you're going to go through 6 through 9 until you get to 10. Now when you get to 10, that's when you're going to take your quiz, and you're going to use those results to see if you understood it or not. Okay, so once again, you're going to start on 5. Don't spend more than a minute on 5. Do 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then when you get to 10, take your quiz. I hope you found this instructional video helpful. Have a quality day.